Bye everyone. I hate you, all of you. Rear emblems, took them apart, and this time I did it properly. Plasti dipped the badge so that it matches the front grille, so that's gonna be dope. So I realized to do this properly we're gonna have to paint match it with a front lip and the rear lip, which I pulled out right there. So these already come pre-primed. Only thing left to do with these is to clean them with alcohol and start painting them. These are plastic, so for those we're gonna need some adhesion promoter. We'll have to buy that, and the paint that we're gonna use will be Duplicolor trim and bumper paint. I'd like to use the Rust-Oleum stuff, but they don't sell it out here in Canada, so we're gonna have to go for a Canadian Tire run and just make do with what we can get. Spray down the lips with some adhesion promoter. Next step is to paint it with this stuff. Hopefully it turns out okay. Alright guys, so skirts are painted. So where the lips, got them sitting on top of the Gulf right now. I'm gonna let them dry. Just take my time with them. You guys, did I show you a single car garage problem? So you got the project car inside. So what do you resort to? Freaking jack my car up on an incline. Just make sure you're chalked. But yep, happy times. I don't know though, for a daily, I feel like I should raise this maybe half an inch. Kind of nuts. We'll see. Damn, that shit looks good, fam. Thing here. This thing out.
It sounds so mean. Like it sounds like super.
Look at this. Oh man. So I don't know. I saw you one time, and you had like some weird VOC behind you, and I was like, hey. No, you probably don't remember. That was like last weekend.
And I was like,
Yeah, you went off the road.
and then I feel like came back to something. Like was like, okay, because he wanted to do everything.
Damn.
I was just like, took the registration, which is what I don't have, which is why I keep getting all fucking.
Look at this thing. Oh, look at that. Is that kid newer?
I don't know. I'm still on the start now.
What the hell is that? Yeah. It's so nice, man. Small bumpers too. I wish mine was small bumpers. We can't all be lucky, right?
I used to have a big bumper Jetta like that.
You did?
The red. Year 6.
I like the theme of yours though, like the you know, the brown cloth seats and the freaking wood grain. Yeah, wood grain. Yeah, it's not. It's like classy, you know.
I tried.
Yeah, check it. It's nice.
Shift knob too.
Yeah.
Carpet's also brown.
Accordion shift knob. You were classy, sir. Yeah. More motivation to finish mine. Although I see he's dealing with the same stuff I am. Right there. Digging the heck blend though. Oh, everyone's coming out. I have to stay home. Look at this guy. What the f... Whose man's is this? How are you? Good. This is the first time I've seen this thing in person, so excuse me while I oogle all over it. Freaking Andy. When are you gonna come over to help me out?
One of these days. You're really struggling. You haven't sounded like you're really struggling. I
Huh?
want to be your guardian savior when you've just tried every approach.
I have the motor out.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. This ugly thing. And, hey, I didn't call that guy.
No?
I called him. He wouldn't pick up.
Oh, try again.
Freaking Slav over here.
Or just send them a message.
All right, yeah.
Text them.
So that was a cell phone number.
Yeah. So you're inconvenient. I'm telling you, man, like if anything, that motor.
I know.
With us?
No, I hate you guys.
Why?
I have to stay home.
Why?
This freaking punk.
119?
Yeah. The AAZ. So it's like a 94, 95 Golf Jetta motor.
Is this stock? Is this plate stock? I have to remake mine.
This like came off of something.
Yeah. Oh, you just pulled it off something?
It was off a Volkswagen. It was. I don't know if it was off a Mark II or not. Maybe a Passat. Yeah, it's
Okay.
like a heat shield for the turbo or something.
Okay.
I thought it was cool and used some self-tapping screws and ran her in there.
Should I just do the
What's going
same?
on, man?
Chris, everyone. The man, Chris.
I
I keep missing you when you wave.
I have a feeling we're gonna be on the internet later today, eh?
Probably. Paparazzi here.
Yeah, no kidding.
I'm just.
I'm so glad you brought it out.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Me too.
I'm not gonna be ripping alongside a motorcycle.
I didn't.
Hey, Chris, why aren't you aired out? Yeah. At least for the first couple of
You're
years.
spending more time on your car than with your wife.
Hey, don't say that out loud. I have it on video. Bastard.
So you're admitting you like your friends more than your family?
James, everybody. Gigawatt James.
It's getting moody.
It's like little things like this that just make my day. Like freaking, where do you even get stuff like this?
It was like that.
Nice, man.
I got it in Nashville, Tennessee. That's why I got like the Tennessee plate on it.
You had it. You've had this for long?
Yeah, about
Yeah.
5 years.
5 years. It's nice, man. Bye, everyone. I hate you, all of you. Well, back to my crap box. Actually, you know what? Walking up to it doesn't look too bad. Just needs more low up front.